Hello everyone. So I welcome you all to my channel ER Neha. This channel will help you learn Excel VBA. I request you to share your query and get your problem solved at zero cost. Today we are going to learn how to reverse a string using VBA Macro. So today we are going to learn how to reverse a string using VBA Macro. So this is Shreya and she's telling you, "Hi, I'm Shreya. I know that you know me. If you don't know me, you will if you ask me in the comment section. Can you speak what I speak? Let's try." So she speaks A to Z and asks you to speak with her. Now also read, like, subscribe, and share. So we are going to reverse all her statements and get the output in the B column. So let's record the macro. For that, let's press Alt F11. Now we are going to write a function. For that, let's say function reverse. Here we are going to write the argument which we are going to use in the reverse function. So name it as sentence. Okay, now we are going to loop through all the characters in our statement. For that, we'll use the for loop for I equals to length of our sentence to first character, and we are going to reduce it by step -1. Okay, I forgot to give the parenthesis. I'll give it now. Now our string, our reverse, which will be our return function. This will be equals to reverse plus mid function of sentence, comma I, comma 1. Close parenthesis. Next I. Let's align it. Reduce the space and now it's look good. Okay, so I'll close this macro. Here I'll shift Shreya this way. Increase the width. Okay, Shreya has moved further. Let's bring her here. Now I'm going to write equals to reverse. Okay, and select the first cell. Close parenthesis, enter. So here we can see that hi, I am Shreya has been reversed. Now I'll pull it till my 11th row, and here we see that all my statement has been reversed. So this is how we reverse a string. I hope you like my video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do provide me with your doubts in the comment section. I will be happy to help you. So thank you for watching my video, and thank you for watching, and share your doubts in the comment section or mail me your query. Mail ID is in the description box. Thank you.